Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you how to prepare a BISCUIT chart. Okay, so let's get started. So initially, the biscuit is in the round shape, so we need to get the first biscuit in shape. So what I do is I go to Insert, click on Chart, and I select Donut Chart. Okay, I select the blank donut chart and I right click on this and click on Select Data. In this Select Data, first we need to create the outer layer of the biscuit. So what I do is I add the series here and I name it as, let's say, biscuit for time being. And this biscuit I consider 100% and divided by 5% each. Okay, so what I do is I type 1 comma 1 comma like that 20 times 20. So I type this 20 times, and if I click OK, see I get 20 different cuts of the biscuit. Click OK, and now I don't want this legend. I delete it and click on the biscuit here, go to format, and I don't want the outer lanes here, so shape outline and click on no outline. Okay, now can you see this? Everything is attached to each other. Now click on this, right click and click on Format Data Series on the right hand side to increase the biscuit size. So you need to reduce the hole size here. Okay, donut hole size. Okay, so I feel this is fine. I click OK. Now I select everything and I fill this with any plain color or a solid color. So let me select this and I give some kind of a preset like this. Okay, now we got the basic biscuit. Now I delete the heading I don't want, and at the same time I don't want even the outer layer here. Fill, I will make it as no fill, and also the shape outline I'll keep it as none. See, now we have the biscuit ready here. Okay, now on top of this, we need to create one more layer so which shows the percentage of completion. So for that, what I do is, imagine a percentage is, let's say, 37 percentage here. What I do is I just make it as is equal to 1 minus and 37 percentage, so which is 63%. The moment we change here, let's say 50%, the remaining will be 50%. So let's keep it as 38% here. I select here again, click on this, select data. Now add one more series, and this one is actually, let's say, I just give some random name, so fill. Now here what I do is I select 36 and 38 and the 62 percentage. Click on OK. Now can you see we get one more layer surrounding the biscuit here. Now we need to overlay this surrounding layer on top of the biscuit. So how do we do that? So click on this, right click, change series chart type. Now let's make this fill donut as secondary series. See, now can you see this? It's overlaying the biscuit behind it. Now what is a completion percentage? It's a blue color. And what is a non-completion percentage, which is 62%, which is orange color. Now I click on this, go to format, I click on no outline to take out the outlines in between. Now I click on this orange color once and click on that again twice, so that only orange color gets selected. Now I don't want any fill here, so that I can see the biscuit behind it. I go to shape fill, click on no fill, right? And now blue color is the actual biscuit fill. Now click on this again once and click on this again. It's not a double click, it is single click slowly twice. So click on the blue color line. I give this a solid color, which could be whichever the favorite color you wanted. So let me give a kind of a red shade here, and I give some kind of a special effect going to presets, and I choose second one. Okay, and I decrease the opacity of this so that I can see it better. So how do I do that is click on this format data point. In this, can you go to the fill? Can you see the opacity transparency here? Now it is 0% transparency. Let me make it as 20% transparency or 25% transparency. Now can you see the bars are seen behind it, right? Okay, now our biscuit chart is ready. A basic biscuit chart is ready. Now we will fill the percentage in between this. Okay, I'll take out the grid lines so that it looks neat. I will go to insert and insert a text box. So in this text box, I select this, go to the formula bar is equal to, And what is the percentage, complete percentage? 38%. So I click on this, I hit enter. So we get the 38% here in the text box. Align it neatly in the center, increase the size. I go with the impact font, which looks good. Okay, 38%. And clicking on this text box, I remove the outer line. So that means no border. I make this color as identical. Sorry, it's not a fill color. It is a text color. I need to make it as red. So I'll go to this identical color. Now I bring this in between. And again, so we see there it's a white background is there. So we can remove even background as well. So click on the shape, go to shape format, go to shape fill and make it as no fill. See, now can you see this? Arrange it neatly, select both as chart as well as the text box, and right click and group it. Okay, now our chart is ready. I'll make this, okay, I'll keep it on the right hand side. Then we can even increase the size of this chart. You can increase this, move it neatly, adjust this, and you can increase if you want the size of this. You can increase this and you can arrange this neatly. Okay, now we have the chart ready. We can make it as a white color here so that nobody identifies that there is a number here. Now keep changing your number and automatically the percentage will change. So let's make it as 95%. See, now the biscuit is filled 95%. If I make it as 50%, now biscuit is filled 50%. And same thing goes with any other percentages. Okay, hope you like this video and keep watching for more interesting videos like this. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.